circumference of a circle is given, that is equal to 96.8 meters, and the value of area is to be found out. This question is like example number 4. In example number 4, there was also the value of circumference was given and we had to find out the area. Now what will we do? We will simply apply here the formula for area. No, the formula for circumference, because the value of circumference is given, and with this calculation we will find out the value of radius, and after putting that value in the formula of area we will find out our required value for the area. Let's do this. Simply apply the formula for circumference, that is equals to 2 pi r. Circumference is 96.8 equals to 2 as it is, pi 22 by 7 and r as it is. Now r will be equal to 96.8 into 7 upon 2 into 22, because if we take 2 and 22 by 7 to the LHS of the equal to, this 2 will be in division form and this 22 upon 7 will be in its reciprocal form. Now just remove this decimal and place a 0 here. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16 and 2 fours are 8. Again 22 ones are 22, 0. 22 twos are 44, 4 remainder. Again 22 twos are 44. So r is equals to 22 into 7 upon 10. This is the value for r. We will further solve this and reduce it in simpler form. 2 5s are 10 and 2 11s are 22. 11 into 7 upon 5, that is 77 upon 5. So r will be 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 remainder 27, 5 5s are 25. Again 2 remainder and 5 4s are 20. So r will be equal to 15.4 meters. This is the value for r. Now put this value in the formula for area, because we have to find out the value of area. Now area is equal to pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 into r square. We can either put this value or this value. So for simpler calculation we will put the value in rational form. 77 and upon 5. So here pi is 22 by 7 and radius 77 upon 5 square. In the next step we will get 22 by 7 into 77 upon 5 into 77 upon 5. 22 by 7 into 77 upon 5 into 77 upon 5. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 11s are 77. 22 into 11 into 77 upon 5. 22 into 11. 11 twos are 22. 2 carries. 11 twos are 22. 22 plus 2, 24 into 77 upon 5. Now 242 into 77. Just have a look here. 242 into 77. 7 twos are 14. 1 carries. 7 fours are 28 plus 1, 29. 2 carries. 7 twos are 14 plus 2, 16. Again here 1, 6, 9, 4, because we are again multiplying it by 7. 4, 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carries. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 1 carries. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8 and 1. 1, 8, 6, 3, 4 upon 5. Now we have to divide 18,634 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 3 remainder, this becomes 36. 5 sevens are 35. 1 remainder. 5 twos are 10. 3 remainders. 5 six are 30. 4 remainders. And 5 eights are 40. So the answer will be 3726.8. Now in the next step, 22 into 11 into 77 upon 5. 5 into 5, 25. Now 22 into 11. 11 twos are 22. 2 carries. 11 twos are 22. 20 plus 22 plus 2, 24. Into 77 upon 5 fives are 25. Now 242 into 77. 7 twos are 14. 1 carries. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. 2 carries. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. And this can be written again here, because we are again multiplying by 7. 4, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. 186, 3, 4. 186, 3, 4 upon 25. Now, we have to divide 18634 by 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 6 are 150 and 25 7s are 175. So here 25 7s are 175. 186 minus 175. 186 minus 175. 11 is remainder. So here will be 113. So 25 4s are 100. 113 minus 100, 13. Now 25 5s are 125. 134 minus 125, 9. Point. If here decimal comes, then 90 will be there. And 25 3s are 75. 90 minus 75, 15. Again a 0 and 25 6 are 150. So the area will be 745.36 meter square if the circumference is 96.8 meter. Now let us revise it once again. In this question, the value of circumference was given 96.8 meter. So we applied the formula for circumference. C is equals to 2 pi r. C 96.8 equals to 2 pi 22 by 7 into r as it is. Now r will be equal to 96.8 into 7 upon 2 into 22. After calculating this, we get r is equals to 77 upon 5 or 15.4 meters. Now if we have the value of r, we can simply find out the value of area by putting the value of r in this. So here in this formula we have put the value for r, but here we take 77 upon 5, not 15.4, because for simpler calculation we will take this 77 upon 5 here. After solving this, we get our area, that is equals to 745.36 meter squares. figure is given. In this figure, two semicircles are given, and length of AB is equal to 14 meter. The length of AB is given, that is equal to 14 meter. Means the length of AB is 14 meter, and the two diameters of these circles are equal. What is the diameter of this circle? AM, and diameter of this circle MB. Both these diameters are equal. AM is equal to MB. Now tell me, if AM is equal to MB and the length of AB is 14, then what will be the value of AM and MB? It will be equal to 7, because AM is half of AB. Why? Because AM and MB are equal. So here AM and MB will be equal to 7 meters. So here we can write AM and MB will be equal to 7 meters. Now we have asked to find out the value of area of the shaded region. We have to find out the area of this shaded region. Means the area of two semicircles. This circle and this. These are semicircles because circle is not completed here. So we have to find out the area of these two semicircles. So here we will write area of shaded region equal to area of two semicircles. And what is the area of semicircle? Area of circle is pi r square. So the area of semicircle will be half of the area of circle. If area of circle is pi r square, then the area of semicircle will be pi r square upon 2. It will be half of the area of circle. But here there two semicircles are given. So 2 into area of one semicircle, that is equals to pi r square upon 2. Because we have to find out the area of two semicircles. Therefore we will multiply the area of semicircle by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. What we get? Pi r square. इसको हम एक तरह से और समझ सकते हैं. The two semicircles having the same diameters, if we add these two circles, these two semicircles, we will get one circle, one complete circle, and the diameter of both the circles are equal. That's why these two semicircles are part of one same circle. So we can simply apply here the formula of area of one circle. If you are not able to understand this, you can simply apply here the formula for the area of circle, because these two semicircles make one complete circle. So here the area of shaded region will be equal to pi r square. Now what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. Now radius of this circle. What is radius? It is not given, but the diameter is given. The diameter is 7 meter. So if the diameter is 7 meter, then what will be the radius? 7 by 2, because the radius of any circle is always half of the diameter. So here 7 by 2 square. Now in the next step, 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 7 and this 7 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. In the next step, 11 into 7, 77 upon 2. Now 77 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 remainder, this will become 17, 2 eights are 16, again 1 remainder, but 1 cannot be divided by 2, so a decimal will be placed here and that one becomes 10. Now 2 5s are 10. So the area of required shaded region will be 38.45 meter square. Let us revise it once again. In question number 5, we have given a figure. In this figure, the length of AB is equal to 14 meter and this AM and MB are equal. That's why this AM and MB will be equal to 7 meter because these are half of AB. So AM is equals to MB equals to 7 meter. Now the area of this shaded region will be equal to the area of one whole circle because these two semicircles are equal. Why? Because their diameters are equal. Now substituting the values in this, we get pi 22 by 7 into radius. अब radius 7 by 2 कैसे हुई? Because the diameter was 7 meter. Now 7 upon 2 square, and after the calculation we get 38.5 meter square as the area of this shaded region. Okay. Now let's move to the question number 6. In question number 6, it is given the radius of a circular lead of tank 1.4 मीटर. एक सर्कुलर टैंक है, उसके लीड का जो रेडियस है that is 1.4 मीटर, and we have to paint both sides of this lead, and the cost of painting is ₹20 per meter square. But there are 100 such leads, means we have 100 leads to be painted, and the cost of painting is ₹20 per meter square. As I have said you, the painting can always be done on the area of this circular lead, not on the circumference. That's why we will apply here the formula for the area of this circular lead, and after applying that formula we will get our required value for area, and whatever will be the area, suppose it is x meter per square, then if the cost is 20 rupees per meter square, then the cost of x meter square will be x into 20 for one lead, but we have such 100 leads, so we will multiply that by 100. How will it happen? Let's see. Let us first find out the area of that circular lead. So we will write here area of one lead, which is equals to pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 into r 1.4 square. In the next step, 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 0.2s are 1.4. In the next step, 22 into 0.2 into 1.4. Now 22 into 0.2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. It is 4.4 into 1.4. Now 14 4s are 56, 5 carries. 14 4s are 56, 56 plus 5, 61. And the decimal will be here. It is 6.16 meter square. This is the area of one lead. Now, if the area of one lead is 6.16 meter square, then the area of 100 such leads will be 6.16 into 100. So here area of 100 leads is equal to 6.16 into 100. If we multiply 616 by 100, we get 61600. Now we have to put the decimal, and the decimal will come here. Okay, because here 2 digits are after the decimal, and here also 2 digits will be after the decimal. So area of such 100 leads is 616 meter square. Now the cost of painting is ₹20 per meter square. So here in the next step we will write the cost of painting. कितने मीटर स्क्वायर को हमको पेंट करना है? 616 मीटर स्क्वायर. So here the cost of painting 616 meter square at the rate of ₹20 per meter square is this 616 into 20. Now 0 as it is, 2 6 are 12, 1 carries, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 and 2 6 are 12. The cost will be rupees 12,320 for this circular lead. Now the cost of painting 616 meter square at rupees 20 per meter square is rupees 12,320. But in the question it is given that we have to paint both sides of the 100 leads, both sides of 100 leads. But this is the cost of for one side of such 100 leads. So we will multiply this value by 2 for painting both the sides. So here we can write, if we want to paint both the sides, then the cost will be 12,320 into 2, that is equals to 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. The cost of painting both sides of 100 circular leads at rupees 20 per meter square will be rupees 24,640. फिर से देखिए एक बार पूरा क्वेश्चन. In this question we have a circular lead of a tank and the radius of that circular lead is 1.4 meters. Now we have to paint this lead, this type of leads, 100 leads. We have to paint 100 leads of that type and the cost of painting is rupees 20 per meter square. Now the painting will be done on the area. So we will find the area of one lead, that is pi r square, and the radius is 1.4. After solving this we get area of one lead is 6.16 meter square. But we have 100 such leads. So the area of 100 leads will be equal to 6.16 into 100 and that will be equal to 616 meter square. Now the cost of painting is rupees 20 per meter square. So the cost of painting 616 meter square will be rupees 12,320. But we have to cover both the sides of the lead. Therefore the cost will be doubled and the answer will be 24,640 for covering 100 such leads if the cost of painting is rupees 20 per meter square. So students, in this chapter we have discussed and we have learnt about our topic, which was the circumference and area of a circle. But this is not the last, there is more to come. There are more topics on which we are going to discuss. So stay connected with Study Spectrum and thank you for watching.